Hello sir, my name is Rahul Gupta. My roll number is BT90CC089. In this assignment, I will explain the advanced Linux command. First command is the su command, which is used for the another users. Like for example, su enter the password, and it and after the enter the history. This is the again user for another users two. Up again history enter. This is the command of the command. Su command without any option users. Like su and yes u l slash l. This is the command. Now next command is a checksum command. It is the use of the count of the byte and checksum. Firstly, there is ls command and file. File is the dummy file, and in the checksum there is the checksum and number of byte 23 and files. Where if you try to change the edit file, so you can change nano file and delete x and check some file, and here their byte is same and checksum is different. So there is the difference is byte is same and checksum is different. Now ck some check this into file correction, and if we check some value is same before and after the file, then insert file is not accident corrected. I will explain the mount and unmount. First the mount and come command. Error command is used to create a hard and soft file, and file is the dummy file. Terminal enter the ln and file hard, but failed create hard leak in file. But in files make a file in this file hard, but not so in the terminal. This Linux is the one of the most popular browser for command line and interface, and it is a primary operating system that uses it. And Linux www.google.com and enter yes and key the up down Linux keyboard and search and s and and you get the Linux command. A such command is the terminal on which machine and run the following command as such. Your username at the host IP address. If the username or local machine match the one on the server you are trying to connect, you can just type ss host IP address and type your password like ss neha at the rate 2 and IP address 234. But I have don't have access the IP address. Now I will explain the SSP command. SSP command is line utility that allow you to securely copy file and directly between two locations, and your location system to remote system and remote system to your local system, between two remote system from your local system. So now enter here their documents, and their IP address is not found in this. So definitely. Next command is the cron. Cron is the no time up command. It is do the schedule talks with cron. Means program can run, but you don't have to stay up too late. Now I will explain the input and output redirection. Firstly, ls command, and this command file and cat file.txt in this content of file, and cat file.txt grep. It is the grep is used to the send the some send to the file another some, there is some text, but cat if you want to the count the number of files, then this is command grep and slash wc slash n. This count the number of count is 1, and here it is the history grep.mkdir. It is the output of the files, and then after see mkdir dot grep mkdir out.txt, there ls files output come. This is the output. After scat file.txt, it is a file and there's some content. It is the content of file.1.txt. Suppose cat file.grep.sum, there is some text, and cat file.txt grep.sum. If you want to that this file content send to the out.1.txt, then out.txt, there's some is text.